This is what a normal safari looks like. It's magical, but you're literally watching a movie from inside a metal box. So I did something different. I got rid of the jeep to see what would happen if I walked with the animals instead. And the difference is insane. This walking safari completely changed how I see wildlife forever. I'm going to show you exactly what happened. I started this challenge in Uganda's Lake Mburo National Park with a completely normal safari. You're in this massive 4x4 jeep, which is basically a moving fortress. Right away we saw huge herds of animals. From the pop-up roof you have the best seats to see thousands of animals. You can get really close. It's wild. Seeing these animals was mind-blowing, but I wanted to be in the action, not just watching from a box. The next day things got serious. This is one of the only parks in Uganda where they even let you do this. I met my armed ranger and her giant rifle was a huge reminder that this was not a game. She was also a guide and explained a lot about the landscape, the wildlife and lots more. And she was keeping me safe. The first thing I noticed was the sound. The truck engine was gone and it was like my brain switched from standard definition to 4K. My senses were supercharged. We snuck up to this lake and you will not believe what we saw. Cute zebras and very dangerous buffaloes just hanging out. This is a nature documentary in real life. We were 100 meters away on foot and they didn't mind we were there. They looked at us for a bit, but they didn't bother at all. They just went on drinking and grazing. Without the giant truck, it was like we were accepted in the herd. What a feeling. Especially with the giraffes. They were checking us out and came really close. We saw at least 25 giraffes. They were everywhere. Even the youngsters came really close. We also saw lots of other animals, like funny warthogs, a group of waterbugs, noisy hippos, curious monkeys and a topi, a strange looking antelope. The most special were the mongoose. What are they? This hiking safari is one of the best experiences ever. It felt different. We were just a bunch of animals in the wild ourselves. I wasn't looking at the scene, I was in it. So, car versus walking. It's like watching a nature documentary versus being in it. Getting out of that vehicle changed everything. The Jeep Safari is awesome, but the feeling of walking among these giants is something I'll never forget. If you ever wanted to go on a safari, what would be the #1 animal you want to see? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey, hit that subscribe button.